What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to have a long-term review of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 after 50 days. So we are going to talk about all of its pros and cons, performance, features, design, camera, and whether you should really buy this device or not from the long-term usage perspective. So here we go. After 50 days, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is still one of the most unique and beautiful smartphone in the market. As expected, the USP of the device is the foldable flip design that catches eyes of everyone around you. In unfolded state, the device is very slim, tall, and looks like a regular smartphone. And in folded state, it is handy enough to hold in your hand or slide it into your pockets easily. All of the Z Flip 3 models come in unique colors, and once again it contributes in the uniqueness and beautiful design of the device. Just like the previous generation of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip smartphone, Z Flip 3 also comes with a secondary screen, but this time it is bigger and more useful. Galaxy Z Flip 3 is also the first foldable smartphone along with the Z Fold 3 that comes with IPX8 certification. So the device is waterproof, but keep in mind that this is not dust resistant, and the dust can still go inside the device and it can damage your smartphone. The build quality of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is pretty solid, as it comes with armor aluminum metal frame, Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the back panel and on the cover screen, and then on the front side, the protective screen provided on the display is nearly 85% more durable compared to the previous generation. But still you won't feel comfortable enough your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 while closing or opening it with one hand. Another point here is that the hinge of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is a bit tight and slow moving, so opening it with just one hand or closing it like other flip smartphones is not possible, and most of the time you will have to use your both hands to open or close the Z Flip 3. Still, overall, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is the most eye-catching and stylish smartphone currently available in the market, and if you want to grab some attention and look unique in the smartphone crowd, then Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is the device for you. Now talking about the performance, Galaxy Z Flip 3 comes with the flagship level hardware specs, as it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor, 8GB RAM, running on Android 11 along with a 120Hz refresh rate display. So it does not matter how much heavy user you are, you will be happy with the performance of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 for sure. You can watch our benchmarking comparison videos and also the gaming performance test of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 to get the idea about its performance by visiting the links given in the description below. For the long-term usage, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is a perfect device. Nearly after 2 months, there is no slowness of any kind while using the device. It's still very smooth, very fast, and there is no drop in performance even slightly. Talking about the software side, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is still running on One UI 3.1.1 on top of Android 11. And as we already know, One UI 3.1 is very feature rich, and it comes with lots of productivity related applications that you can use to enhance your smartphone experience. But one big drawback is that the Galaxy Z Flip 3 does not come with Samsung's DeX, so you cannot connect this device with a monitor and use it as a computer. So even though the device comes with flagship level hardware and it is pretty capable to run Samsung DeX, for some weird reason Samsung is not providing this feature to this device. Now this time the crease is very less visible, and you will notice it only while scrolling on the screen or when the display is turned off. The hinges on the sides are also less visible, and in the open state it does not look like a flip phone at all. Now talking about the screen, it comes with one of the best display as expected from a Samsung flagship smartphone. So we got 6.7-inch Full HD Plus screen with 426 ppi, 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+. The screen is very bright as it can reach as high as 1200 nits, and the best part is that because of the tall aspect ratio, the viewing experience you get while browsing the internet, using social media applications or watching a cinematic video is very nice on this device. Talking about the cover screen, this is the biggest cover screen we got on any Samsung Galaxy Z Flip series smartphone, as we got a Super AMOLED 1.9-inch 260x512 pixels resolution display. On the cover screen, you can put some widgets to quickly get various information on your device. You can get the notification, and since the cover screen is pretty big in size, you can read the whole messages, and it even supports picture formats. So if you receive a picture in your WhatsApp message, you can even see that on the cover screen. But the drawback is that you cannot reply to any of the messages or notification, and every single time you will have to open your smartphone, launch the app to reply to your messages or perform any activity. So even though you can perform some basic operations like checking the weather, pausing the music, checking your Samsung Health data, but you cannot reply back to any of the text messages. And there are some other drawbacks and privacy concerns as well with the Z Flip 3 cover screen, about which I will talk in my next video, in which I'm going to talk about the top reasons why you should not buy the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So if you are interested, do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. You can even use the cover screen as the preview for your primary camera, and the subject will be able to see themselves in the cover screen when their picture are being taken. Or you can also use the rear camera along with the cover screen to capture better selfies and videos. But it also comes with its very own drawback, and as I said, I will talk about all of these points in my upcoming video. So the features and functionality of the cover screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is very limited, unlike the Moto Razr foldable flip smartphone where you could perform virtually every single thing that you can do on the primary screen. Another highlighted feature of the Z Flip 3 is the flex mode, where you can flip the display at 90 degrees and the user interface will be changed accordingly to use the particular application easily. But with other applications, the functionality will be only limited to changing the brightness, volume, taking a screenshot, or checking the notifications. Talking about the battery life, this is the weakest point of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3, as it comes with a small 3300 mAh battery with just 15-watt charging. So the very first thing is that the battery drains super fast. In my personal usage, every day I used to charge the device at least once around afternoon and sometimes again at evening if I use it heavily. And that was the situation when I was not using this phone for playing games or streaming any kind of multimedia content from YouTube, Netflix, etc. like my usual daily usage. So if you are a heavy user, you will be heavily disappointed with the battery performance of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. Another thing here is that it comes with just 15-watt charging. So first, the battery drains very fast, and once it goes down and you try to charge it, it takes more than 1.5 hours to charge the battery from 5 to 10% to 100%. So this combination is pretty bad for a heavy smartphone user. It also comes with 10-watt fast wireless charging and 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging. But considering the poor battery performance of the device, it does not make sense at all to use the reverse wireless charging feature. Talking about the camera performance, theoretically we got the exact same camera that we had on the previous generation of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3. So as you can expect, the camera hardware is not that great, but surprisingly, Samsung's image processing and algorithm improves the camera performance a lot and way better than expected. It comes with nearly all of the flagship level camera features and options that you will find on other flagship smartphones, but still the performance is quite limited, and especially if you compare it with other smartphones in the same price segment. Because even though Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is the cheapest foldable flip smartphone, it's still quite expensive if you compare the overall hardware specs with other devices. So if the smartphone photography is your primary concern while buying a smartphone, then Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 performance might disappoint you, as the overall camera performance is just good enough for casual photography and you can get many times better camera smartphones in this price. Talking about the other features, the performance of the fingerprint sensor is very nice. It's fast, accurate. The stereo speakers tuned by AKG provided on Z Flip 3 are loud enough, and the audio output is also good enough for casual media consumption. Overall, nearly after 2 months, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is still the most affordable, most beautiful looking flip foldable smartphone that you can buy for yourself. It is very beautiful, very stylish, way more durable compared to other foldable smartphones. It comes with flagship level performance and hardware specs. It is the first foldable smartphone that comes with waterproofing, and the display is just gorgeous. So if you're not a heavy user and some drawbacks like the poor battery performance, slow battery charging speed, average camera performance are not a big issue for you, then Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 is what you should buy for yourself. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.